Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus, and we're testing out its video recording quality against last year's Galaxy S22 Plus to see if there's any improvement. Now, of course, we're recording in 4K, we also have 8K video support, but that will be a topic of a separate video. So let's move a bit, check out the video stabilization, just casually walking around. Do you see any improvement? Is the Galaxy S23 Plus more stable than the last year's model? Alright, let's stop right here and slowly move the camera span around. Check out the different lighting conditions here. If you point it towards the sky, is it the exposure changed gradually, which is always a nice thing. Alright, let's step a bit further inside here in a slightly darker space and switching to the ultra-wide cameras now. Alright. Really useful for these tight spaces, and of course, since it's a bit darker here, it's a slightly more challenging environment for both phones. Now, has the Galaxy S23 Plus improved? You should see it better right now. Alright, let's switch back to the main camera, and right now trying to zoom in. Both phones have a 3x zoom lens, so switching over to 3x zoom. The quality should be pretty similar since it's about the same lens, but maybe the new Galaxy has some improvements. And going all the way to the maximum zoom level, which on these phones is 12x, 12 times zoom. We'll just slowly move the camera, see how they stabilize. Alright, let's switch back to the main cameras once again. And this, guys, will do it for this comparison. Let me know if the new Galaxy S23 Plus does better than the S22 Plus, and do you see any difference? Thanks for watching.